press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Having a powered screwdriver around the house is convenient, but finding bits for it can slow you down.
Get ready for a new spin. Rotobit 4V Max Storage Screwdriver. Rotating onboard storage keeps bits right where you need them. Always ready convenience, lightweight, compact, and built-in LED to help light your way. Rotobit 4V Max Storage Screwdriver.
Trying to get things done, nothing is more frustrating than working where it's hard to reach or where you can't see. Till now, meet the cordless flip out, an incredible power driver. It's compact to get into tight spaces other drivers can't, yet drives with the same power and torque as much larger tools. But here's the real magic. With flip out, you'll always come at your work from just the right angle. Flip out delivers torque and power using a design based on industrial robots. There are 3 pivoting joints. The top one pivots to reach into tight spots. The middle joint lets you reach around or over. And the third joint gives you all this flexibility with 360 degrees of rotation. The result? Flip out locks into over 380 positions, giving you power in tight spots, power in hard to reach spots, power where you need it. Flip out gets the job done. Use a drill driver at the wrong angle and you'll quickly strip screws. But flip out adjusts to drive screws straight on. And with the drill driver, you just don't have control for RTA furniture. But flip out's variable speed switch gives you the touch you need to assemble furniture quickly. Flip out runs on a built-in 8V max lithium-ion battery. And you can fully recharge it in just 45 minutes. And even if it sits for a full year, flip out still holds its charge. And maybe the best thing about the flip out is it only weighs 1 pound. So whether you're working in hard to reach places on electrical or plumbing, or just need a powerful driver around the house, flip out is a tool for you.
It's a handy socket in your pocket. The compact Malco 4-in-1 nut driver combines 4 hex sizes in one comfortable handle. This positive locking telescoping driver features 3 position combinations to access the hex openings. In the most compact position for fitting in your pocket, you can quickly turn the driver around in your hand to access a 5/16 inch or 1/4 inch hex driver opening. Pull the locking collar back and reset to access a 3/8 inch hex opening or longer reach 5/16 inch opening. Pull back again and reset to access a 7/16 inch hex opening or extra long reach 1/4 inch opening. The positive locking collar ensures that the quick release shafts remain secured when applying inline pressure while in use. Pull back the collar and reset in the middle to return to the 5/16 inch and 1/4 inch pocket size position. A comfortable 3-lobe handle makes working with the unique Malco 4-in-1 nut driver easy, and chrome vanadium steel socket shafts offer long service life for this must-have tool.
Here at iFixit, our mission is to teach everyone to repair everything. Our free online repair guides and community of experts have helped millions of people repair their own devices, extending their lives and keeping them out of landfills. Using insights from creating thousands of repair guides, we've built the best possible toolkits for any repair. Our signature black and blue tools are designed in-house in California, where we strive to constantly adapt to any new repair challenges that stand in the way of the average person. From providing people with the harder to find bits found in many Apple products like Pentalobe and Y000, to changing the way we approach repair procedures. You can count on iFixit to walk you through the best way we know how to complete a repair safely and with the highest success rate. We pride ourselves on the quality of our tools and use only the highest quality materials available to us. We believe in them so much, we even offer a lifetime warranty on all our iFixit quality tools. If something breaks, we'll replace it for as long as you own your tools.
It's time to clear out that old drawer of screwdrivers and make space for the ultimate tool to cover you for almost every job. Introducing ToolPro Auto Loading Multi-Bit Screwdriver. This screwdriver is unlike any other tool in the market. Simply find out the bit you need, twist, slide, and you're good to go. Get the job done in seconds. No more hunting around for the perfect sized screwdriver. Keep one in your toolbox and one in your kitchen drawer, and you'll be set for just about any job around the home and garage. Fixing toys, opening remote controls, replacing batteries, screwing in light fittings, or assembling furniture. The ToolPro Auto Loading Screwdriver is going to be your new best friend. This brilliant multi-purpose screwdriver sets the standard for awesome utility tools with a selection of slotted, Phillips, square, hex and Torx bit drivers, all available at the flick of a wrist. The screwdriver comes with 4 different coloured chambers, each loaded with a different type of bit. But you're not limited to the setup supplied. You can even mix and match different bit types and sizes into each chamber to make your auto-loading screwdriver a perfect match for your needs. Changing between bits occurs in one smooth movement by sliding the lever back, rotating the chamber to the bit you need, and sliding the lever forward again. Or if you require a different type of bit for the job, slide the lever back, change the chamber, rotate to the bit you need, and slide the lever forward again. The ToolPro Auto Loading Multi-Screwdriver is also much faster than regular screwdrivers, as it features a ratchet mechanism to help make light work of those larger jobs.
Vera, world renowned as probably one of the leading manufacturers of high quality precision screwdrivers for industry and various trades. They really are super. If you've ever had the chance to use one, you'll see the difference straight away. What we have here is a 7-piece electrician set, VDE tested, which means that they go through the batch process, each batch individually tested. So what we're going to open this up and have a look at the screwdrivers that we've got here. I'm going to take them all out. So you've got half a dozen, they're all rolling around. I'll put them down there. All of your popular sizes that you're going to come into, and a mains tester as well. Every good set should have a mains tester, so I'm going to leave that. So let's just have a look at these here. So what we've got here, if you can just come in on the tip, this one's what they call a plus-minus tip. It's from the end, it's a traditional Phillips, but there's also for special fittings on some electrical componentry, you need this plus-minus tip, which is like a slotted and a Phillips, but this is recessed. We'll do both.